Okay, students, from ninth class I am going to explain you lines and angles. Okay, lines and angles. First, what is the meaning of line? Line. Which line cannot end on both sides? Okay, so it cannot show on the board actually. So why? Because on both sides it will be increased. So that's why for identify we kept here two arrows. This is the line. Okay, so two directions it is increasing on both sides. Next, angles. Angles means whenever two rays intersect each other at the point, this point is called as vertex. These are arms. Okay, so here we can see some angle theta. Okay, so now type of angles. Whenever two parallel lines, I am taking, let's take two parallel lines. Okay, on parallel lines, one line is intersecting these two parallel lines. Which line intersecting these two parallel lines? This line is called as transversal. Transversal. Okay, so let's take this L, M, this is N. Okay, here whenever this line transversal intersect two parallel lines in the two distinct points, here we can see four angles, here also four angles. What are those angles? Let's discuss now. Okay, if we know angles, so we can do any problem. See, I am taking here angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Here angle 1, otherwise take order also 5, 6, 7, 8. So first one, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles means exactly opposite to each other. The angle can be one inside, one outside. So exactly opposite. So 2, 4 vertical opposite. 1, 3, 1 vertical opposite. Next here 6, 8 vertical opposite. Next 7, 5. These are vertical. Okay. So these direction angles are called as vertically opposite angle. So what are here? Angle 2 equal to angle 4. X. Next angle 3 equal to angle 1. Next, how many possibilities? Angle 7 equal to angle 5. Next, angle 6 equal to 8. So these are vertically opposite angles. Next, second one. Second one, alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. What are alternate interior angles? Inside angles, interior, those angles must be interior angles, and 3, 5, this type of 3, 5 are called alternate interior. So like this, alternate, not exactly opposite. So like this. So middle whenever transversal. So this side, inside both will be only interior. So 2, 8 will be alternate interior. Next 3, 5 alternate interior. So angle 3 equal to angle 5. Vertical opposite angles are equal. Alternate interior angles also equal. Next angle 8 equal to angle 2. Is there any one more pair of? No. The condition is they must be interior and opposite. Okay. So those will be alternate interior angles. Okay. So now let's Let's see here. Corresponding angles. Next, corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means same side of the transversal. అంటే ట్రాన్స్వర్సల్ కి ఒకే వైపు ఒకటి అవుట్ సైడ్ ఉండాలి, ఒకటి ఇన్సైడ్ ఉండాలి. ట్రాన్స్వర్సల్ కి ఒకే వైపు ఒకటి అవుట్ సైడ్, ఒకటి ఇన్సైడ్. దోస్ విల్ బి కరెస్పాండింగ్ యాంగిల్. సో యాంగిల్ 1 ఈక్వల్ టు యాంగిల్ 5. యాంగిల్ 1 ఈక్వల్ టు యాంగిల్ 5. నెక్స్ట్ angle 2 inside, same side of the transversal. Angle 2 equal to inside. Next you have to take outside. So one interior, one exterior. Angle 2 equal to angle 6. Angle 2 equal to angle 6. Same side of the transversal, that side, left side. Left side, one interior, one exterior will be corresponding. This is exterior. What is interior? 8. So 4 equal to 8. Angle 4 equal to angle 8. Next, angle 3 equal to angle 7. Angle 3 equal to angle 7. So these are corresponding angles. Okay. So corresponding angles means same side of the transversal, one outside angle, one inside angle will be equal. So those are corresponding angles. Next, this is third one. At the same time, alternate exterior angles also equal. Alternate exterior. Exterior means 4 equal to 6. 7 equal to 1. Okay. So alternate interior means you take interior angles only. 5 equal to 3. 8 equal to 2. Alternate exterior. 6 equal to 4. Angle 6 equal to angle 4. Angle 7 equal to angle 2. Okay. So next, co-interior angles. Next what? Co-interior angles. What are co-interior angles? Co-interior angles means same side of the transversal, sum of these two will be supplementary angles. Okay. So same side of the transversal. Angle 2 plus angle 5. Angle 2 plus angle 5 equal what? 180 degrees. Okay. Angle 2 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degrees. Next, that side, angle 3 plus angle 8. Angle 3 plus angle 8 equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So these are properties of angles. So if you know properties of these angles, you can do any problem. So let's do some problems. Okay. Let's take a problem. First one. Let's take two parallel lines. Taking transversal. 2x and 60 degrees and y. Here question is find x comma y. Find x comma y. How can you find out? Means here first of all you have to observe 2x 60, what type of angles? What type of angles? See here, same side of the transversal, one outside, one inside angle will be equal. Corresponding angles. Yes. So solution is 2x equal to 60 degrees. Okay. Since which property? Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Okay. So now x degree equal to 60 degrees by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 0 ja. So x equal to what? 30 degrees. Okay. Next, what is y value? If you see here, on the line, sum of these two angles will be, okay, what will be? Linear pair angles. These are linear pair angles means sum of those angles at a point on the straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So simply we will say this type of angles, for example angle A, angle B. This type of angles are called as angle A comma angle B are linear pair. Linear pair we can say. Okay. So linear pair means sum of these two will be angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. So according to this, so if you see, so this is also linear pair. So y plus 60 equal to y plus 60 equal to 180 degrees. Since linear pair. Since linear pair. Okay. So now y equal to 180 degrees plus 60 will be minus 60. So 180 minus 60, 120 degrees. This is y. Okay. So x equal to 30 degrees, y equal to 120 degrees. This is first problem. Next model. Next, one more problem let's take. Okay. So here two properties you observe, linear pair and corresponding angles. Next, second problem. Okay. ABC is a triangle and let's produce this up to D. Okay. So when you extend the one side of a triangle, we can see here exterior angle. Okay. So this is I am giving you 3x degrees. So this is x degree. This is x degrees. Okay. This is for example 120 degrees. Then find x. They will ask. How can you find out? Solution. It is exterior angle. Exterior angle property is 120 degrees is equal to sum of opposite two interior angles. So means, so its opposite two interior will be 3x and x. So 3x plus x degree. Okay. So is equal to 3x plus x, 4x degree. So 120 degrees is equal to 4x. So x equal to 120 by 4. 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja, 4 0 ja. Okay. So x degree is equal to 30 degrees. X is equal to 30 degrees. So here what is property? Simply exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Shortly we can write like this. Okay. So this is one model. Okay. Next, sometimes they will give next third model. Let's see. Third problem. Okay. 3x degrees, y degrees, this is 60 degrees. Okay. This is, let's take one more angle here, 40 degrees Ah. Here, what is y value and x value? Same, this model also same, but here two variables are there. That is difference. Okay. So here same. These are linear pair of angles. For this you will get a y value. See here 60 plus y degree equal to what? 180. Since linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. Linear pair. So y equal to 180 plus 60 will be minus 60. So equal to 180 minus 60, 120 degrees. Okay. So next you need x value. So y equal to, it is exterior angle is equal to sum of these two. So 3x plus 40. Y already you got 120 plus 40 will be minus 40 is equal to 3x. Okay. So 120 minus 40, 80 equal to 3x. So x equal to 80 by 3. So otherwise keep in the mixed fraction. 3 2 ja 6, 8 minus 6 2, 3 6 ja 18, 20 minus 18 2. So mixed fraction 26 whole 2 by 3 degrees. 26 whole 2 by 3 degrees. So this is one model. Okay. Next. Next model, sometimes they will use like this. Okay. Here they will give some any x. Okay. So here 60 degrees, here some any 30 degrees like this. Find x in this situation. Find x. How can you find out? Means here you have to draw a parallel line to remaining two lines, remaining two parallel lines. Okay. So see here, then you can take here small a, here small b. These two angles 30 and a will be, so it will be transversal. So a and 30 will be alternate interior. Solution is, so first of all draw a parallel line. Draw a parallel line. Throw x. So take this L comma M. Throw x and parallel to L comma M. Okay. So that implies A equal to 30 degrees. Why? Because since alternate interior angles. Next, B also same. This is, it will be transversal. B equal to 60 degrees. B degrees equal to 60 degrees. Okay. Next. So this is one model. Okay. Next model, let's see. Fifth model. Here let's take parallel line. Okay. Take this any L, some L. This is A, B, C. And L is parallel to BC. L is parallel to BC. They will give some values here. It is some is 60 degrees. Next here 30 degrees. Any X. Next here Y. Okay. Now see here in the diagram, these two are parallel. Then individually, so it will be transversal. This is also transversal. Why this transversal? It is intersecting two parallel lines in two distinct points. So that's why it is transversal. So this is also transversal. See here, AC is intersecting two parallel lines in distinct points A comma C. So that's why. So what is x value now? So x equal to, these are, see here, this will be, it will be transversal. So these two angles will be alternate interior. So x equal to 60 degrees. Okay. So y equal to 30 degrees. Since same property for both alternate interior angles. Okay. Otherwise, they will ask one more z also. Can we find out z? Easily you can find out. Why? Because you know 30 degrees. Yes, y value you know. Okay. So y plus z plus 60 equal what? 180 degrees. Why? Because all angles, sum of all angles lie at a point on the straight line. Sum of all angles at a point on the straight line is 180 degrees. Okay. So otherwise we can write linear pair also, we can write linear pair. Generally we will take only for linear pair only 2. So more than 2 we can say sum of all angles at a point on the straight line is 180 degrees. Okay. Now what is y value? 30 degrees plus z plus 60 degrees equal to 180. Okay. So 30 plus 60 plus z is equal to 180. See here, 30 plus 60, 90 plus z equal to 180. So z equal to 180 plus 90 will be 90. So equal to 180 minus 90, 90. Okay. So see here, 90, z will be 90. So if you add these two, 3 will be x. What is x angle? 60. 60, 30, 90, 90, 90, 180. Sum of all angles in a triangle 180 also. So this type of problems. So if you know properties of angles, you can do easily any model. Okay. So can you do? I will use two problems. Do now. In the next video I will give answers. Generally I will give questions in the class. When I finish the class, immediately I will give model problems. So you also you can do. Let's see. MP model problem. Okay. Here A and 60 degrees. Next 2B. You have to take like this. Okay. Okay, right. Find A comma B. Second question. Tomorrow I will give solutions. Be ready. Okay. So this is A, B, C. Okay. So this is 3x. Next this is 2x. So this angle is, let's take 100 degrees. Okay. At the same time take this y. Find x comma y. X comma y. Okay. Tomorrow I will give these two solutions. Okay. Your answers, have you got answers correctly? See in the next video. Okay. Definitely I will give solutions. Okay ma. So have you understood? If you understood this video, you can share to your friends. Okay. So like and subscribe and share to your friends. Okay, thank you.